The Auburn 1935 Lot 178 model 851 custom Phaeton, which is just about to arrive on stage. I'll tell you about it first. Extremely well presented, handsome, well restored example of the car, offered from its ownership of 50 years in the current stable there. Over the course of that time, it received no fewer than 3 rebuilds to bring it into the very fine condition that you will see it when it arrives on stage. Very, very few miles on the restoration since, and it is of course a CCCA full classic and ready to go touring. Got the dual ratio differential on it. A pretty car, look at that. Delighted to offer it here today. Well, I've already got interest. It takes me as far as 65,000. I put it in straight away. 65,000. I can bid 65,000. 100,000. So I like your spirit. I know it's been a long day. 100,000 is bid here. Telephones. Anyone else coming in? It's 100,000. Then it's bid 100 straight away. The offer is here, right in front of me. We have 10 anywhere. We've got 100,000 offers right in front of me. 100,000. Should I sell it for this? Or am I offering more? For the Auburn, 100,000. See you there, sir. 110. Did I say 20, sir? Yeah. 15. 120,000. Did I say 25, sir? 25. 30,000. 140,000 now. David Ford's and Auburns at $140,000. 45, 145,000 against you, sir. Walking away. 150,000. 150. Stay in the room, sir. It's not yours yet. 150,000. 155,000. Come back. 155,000. 160, sir. Oh, he's back in. 155, it's on the telephone. What do we do, sir? Take another good look at it. 155,000 is my bid on the phone. 155. 160? 160 and now you're walking away. 160,000. I love it. Be sure to get our hospitality as we leave, sir. 160,000. That's the bid. 160. What do we do, Jamie? 165,000. He was just walking to the transport people as well. 165,000. So, what do we do now? 165. Not sure you can restore it for that. It's 165. That's the car. 170. 170. That's it. I've heard that before, sir. 170,000 now. 170. Everyone's smiling. Have fun at Bonhams, why not? 170,000. 170,000. What do we do? 175. Let's get it away from you, sir. 175,000. No? It's not even walking towards me now. Oh dear. 175,000 on the phone. No one else waiting at all. 175,000. Sir, last call. No more. He's out. 175, that's yours, Jimmy. Well done. Great price, great car.